Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. This is my very first video in this year of 2024, so Happy New Year. And my name is Marian. I am from the Netherlands, as you can probably hear. And I love watching other YouTubers, crafters. And I thought, let's give it a go, because I also love connecting and I love showing my craft projects. So for this first video, I want to take it a little bit easy and show you something I made and how I made it, what kind of materials I use. And well, let's start. I have these boxes here, and these are called pizza boxes. It's from Elizabeth Craft Design, and I made 2 boxes. So this was the very first one I made, and this is the second one. And the die set, it's called pizza box, and I will show you the die set. So this is the box, and it's just one die, and you need your big plates for it, or you have to figure it out to cut this side and then this side. So it's possible with the small plates, and it's just one die, and it has all the scoring lines on it, and it's an easy thing to make. It's a really easy thing to build, but you have to be sure to glue it all together with glue or with adhesive tape, and you have to really put the sides and together and not give it any room. So really tight. It's a tight fitting box, so if you don't glue it the way it should, then the box will probably not close that well. But I think I'm going to make a box together with you, like a craft along videos I really love to make, but that will come. So it's this die, and you also get these dies along with the pizza box, and the circles I use for lots of other stuff. The other things I didn't use, but I would love to make a box with this second square die. It's this one, and it also has like a stitch in it. But I would love to make one with a window in it, like this, so you can see what's inside. I bought this die set for like 2 reasons. The first reason, that I can make my own boxes to store all the ephemera I make myself. So this one, for instance, I have labels in it, lots of labels. So when I make a label, I usually make more, and then I can just put them in here. So this is a nice way of storing, and then you get all the same boxes. And the second reason I bought the box is because it makes nice gifts, and you can also do something more dimensional. So it's not that high, but you can, I love making not only flat stuff like tags. I love making tags, but also making boxes or books. And this is a really nice way also to make a book inside, a little journal for yourself or to give away. But it's also very nice to make kind of an experience or adventure box for someone. So this box is for someone, and this is paper. Both of these I made from 49 Market Moonlit Garden. I really love that Paperpack. I'm probably gonna buy it again. because it's so nice. Let's see, I have it here. It's this one. And you can see this pattern I used with this box. And I think it's this one I used with this box. So it's double-sided, and it's really, really nice paper. I love it. I also love like these kinds of patterns. And this one is on the other side of this paper. Also really great. I use it in another project. And you see the inside, how lovely this paper is. So this is kind of I put lots of stuff in here, envelopes, but with all, I'm not gonna show everything because it's still a present for someone. But I wanted to show you something that's also not two-dimensional, but this is a, how do we call it? A specimen bottle. And I don't know if you can see it. So I'm gonna show you what I used and what's inside. So I came across these bottles because you can go to, of course, the lovely craft stores we have everywhere with all the material, but I also go to shops that are not really craft shops, but have some craft supplies, and just have a look and browse and see what's there, because you have some great finds. And this was one of those great finds. And I'll show you this is the package. And then you see that the shop is called, it's in the Netherlands, it's called Wibra. It's like really low costs. It's not like a dollar shop, but it's not that expensive. But they sell everything like clothes and kitchenware and all kinds of stuff. And they have a really small craft section, and they have like these bottles. And they fit perfectly in the pizza box. So if you want to make like a nice thing, not only labels or envelopes, but put something else in it, this is a really great thing. And they also have these bottles. And like you see, the cost only $1.29. So it's like so cheap. But these bottles, they don't fit in this box, but I'm saving it for something else. So what I put inside is there are some, let's see if you can see it up close. There are some rhinestones. So you can, if you have like the shops with all the beautiful quartz and all those nice stones, you can buy. They also sell the little ones, and you can put them in here. And I just put some wool inside, but you can also put in some like the mummy cloth from Tim Holtz, or just some cotton fabric in here, because I put in some essential oil, and just 2 or 3 drops, maybe 1 or 2 is also enough, because it can absorb the oil. And then if you put, I put it on very tightly because I don't want them. So then you have like a smelling experience of a really nice oil. But you can also, I can smell it now. So it's keeping the aroma, the fragrance inside the bottle, like this. And you can also put in some dried lavender, or even some kitchen spices, I guess, to have like a smelling experience. And I put on a round label, a specimen label. And you can put on anything you want. This is from the Little Toadstools from Tim Holtz. And I have like this small version of it. I don't know, I came across it a while back and I bought it, and it's like this little round label. And I just put it on with glue. And then this is a wax thread. And I have a whole packet, and I think because my boyfriend bought it, I think he bought it on AliExpress or something. So it's some colors, and it's also very nice to, if you want to sew in books or like a signature, and you want to sew the books. The wax thread is really nice for that. So I just put it around here with a little loop, and on the loop I just made a little tag and I stamped it. Well, you can stamp it with any random stamp you have. And I love doing these tiny things. So I think it's a nice bottle, and this is a little bit more grungy, so it's a bit more Specimen style. And yeah, so you can put it in this box very nicely, and then you have a really nice gift full of experiences. So these are the pizza boxes, and I think I'm gonna make more of this because I need more storage for labels and such. But I also, what I want to do is finish some projects, because I have some unfinished projects. Well, I think everybody has some, but I don't want to leave them unfinished in this new coming year. So I have 2 projects that are like half finished, and that's what I'm gonna do next. So there's a book made of tags that I have to bind, so I'm gonna make a video about that. And I made a very lovely cover, a flip cover with a signature that I have to make. I can decide on papers, so that's why it's left unfinished. But I think I know what I want to do now, and I have to sew in a signature that's matching with the cover. So those 2 projects are coming up. That's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna start with fresh new projects. So I hope to see you then. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, and I'm sure the first 10 or 20 videos will be like when I watch them saying I can do this better or it's horrible, but I'm just gonna go through it. I have to get used to this style of filming, and only my hands are in the picture. That's really strange. And well, I'm gonna get used to it, to this filming, and I love crafting, and I hope I can share this passion of crafting with you guys and craft together and giving each other inspiration. So if you already made a box like this, or another box, or you also made a bottle, please let me know, and let's inspire each other. And I hope to see you soon in the next video. Bye!